How to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not letting you log in. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. For that, launch your settings, navigate to the option Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Also, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. This might fix your issue. Next up, what you have to do is update your Microsoft Authenticator app. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Microsoft Authenticator. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it. Now when you try to log in, make sure the credentials you are using is correct. Next up, what you want to do is clear cache for the app. For that, launch settings, navigate to the option General, click on iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage. Now from the list of the apps, find Microsoft Authenticator. Once you find it, open it. Click on Upload app, click on Upload app, click on Reinstall app. If none of these solutions work, completely delete this app from your device and again reinstall it. For that, click on the option Delete app, click on Delete. After you delete the app, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Microsoft Authenticator and then download it. With these, Microsoft Authenticator app should let you log in. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.